Okay, I'm starting off with the 2-day-old wash and go. So I'm just going to go ahead and co-wash my hair. And I'm back. And I'm using this Miss Jessie's leave-in conditioner just to make sure that my hair is moisturized and protected. And now I'm trying to find my part, where I want to place my part for my ponytail. Wasn't feeling it, so I'm going to go ahead and move it over a little bit. I'm spraying some extra water because my hair gets a little dry. It was getting dry already. And here it is. There is no big secret in how I slick down my hair. I literally just use a whole bunch of gel and my fingers. And for this particular look, I'm using the Eco Styler flaxseed and black castor oil. Yes, I still use it because look, it really works. So the trick is as well that you have to layer slicking down your hair. So you start from the bottom and then you add on so it's all the way flat and slick. Okay, so I'm just showing you what it looks like when it's all the way down and flat. I'm satisfied. I'm going to go ahead and hit these edges. Most important part is this little curl. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and go on the other side. And hit the other curl. Okay, we got to tie the edges down. And I'm afraid I put extra gel on top because I'm afraid I'm going to get a hump. But I want it to be very, very, very slick. Okay, then I'm putting the top scarf on it, making sure it's very, very tight. And I added a bonnet, but now I'm going to go to sleep. Here's the packaging that the hair comes in. You get your bundle of clip-ins, some free lashes, and some extra clips. And so here I'm starting off with my hair slicked down from last night. I was impressed by the texture. You know, I had to give a little sniff test, but it smelled normal. I'm showing you guys the clips and how they operate because I did not know, but it's very, very simple. And then I went ahead and just attached it to the back of my head in a somewhat circular motion as if I had a bun to work around. So I put some on the nape of my neck to add some more volume to give it a ponytail shape so it wasn't hanging flat. So I'm going to go ahead and just add some more tracks around to add more volume. Then I'm taking some hair from the bottom of the ponytail type shape, and then I wrapped it around so you couldn't see as many of the tracks. And then I pinned it in the middle to add some height. And it still wasn't enough for me, so I took this stretchy headband that I cut up. Then I realized you could see all the tracks, honey. It was bad. So I went ahead and pushed up the front of it and laid it over top and pinned it to hide it. And that's it.